Hello everyone! How are you doing? Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? So, kamusta ang lahat-lahat? Anong ginagawa nyo ngayong araw? So, today guys, magkakaroon naman tayo ng another unboxing. So, this will be my third Lazada haul. So, now, ang dumating lang today is isang parcel and I'm still waiting for 2 parcel and until now, wala pa din siya. Parang ano pa lang, sending pa lang, ganun. Napack pa lang daw, ganyan. So today, this one is table. So, metal table siya na kailangan nyo pa siyang i-assemble. So, this cost 816.53 pesos. And I'm so excited to open it dahil para mapalitan ko na yung table dun sa labas. So, this one is merong 5 layers, but what I got was the 3rd layer only. Yung 5 layer, I think it cost like parang 1,000 plus. Yes, but this one it costs 816.53. It includes the delivery fee, guys. Ayan, so the shipping fee. So this, ayan, I want to show it with you. Yes, I don't know if you can see it closely, but this is the parcel that I bought. So I'm gonna open it. So if ever guys na magustuhan nyo to, or if ever guys na you're looking also for this one, I'm gonna put the link on the description box so you guys can see it. Okay, 54 by 43.5 by 9.5. I'm gonna assemble it later, guys. And so let's open it first. So once you open it, guys, once you open it, it will show agad the nice. Oh, ito agad yung bubungad sa inyo, yung pinaka table niya, guys. Ayan, so this is the first table. Ano siya, I think stainless, bakal, ganun. So ayan, magaganda din yung mga reviews niya dun sa sa website na, or dun sa store na tinignan ko, guys. So let's put it this way. Oopsie, I have 3 layers of this. Okay, so this is the second one. I'm gonna remove the plastic later so maiwasan natin yung mga gasgas. And inside of it, guys, is meron siyang manual kung paano niyo siya gagawin. So, user manual guide kung paano niyo siya gagawin. Ayan, it's very important. Then we have the yung mga bakal-bakal na ikakabit natin sa sides. Ayan. It's nice. This is siya, metal din. And we have the gulong. Yan, this is the gulong. Oh my god. Ibaba ko na nga muna. So, hindi siya malaglag. And then nice, they provided gloves for us. It's nice, they gave us gloves inside the box. And another ang tawag dito, mga supports. So all in all, we have 8 supports. Ayan, and then I don't know what's this. There is tawag dito, screws, and I don't know what's this, but this is what it looks like. Ayan. So later we will figure it out paano natin siya bubuuin. And then, that's it. So, we got 3 of this. Ayan. 3. And this, the gulong, and then the screws. And then, also this. We got this. So, now, I'm gonna start, fixing this. Then, I'm gonna show it with you after. Okay? So, that's it. So, I will get back to you later, guys. Bye! Finally guys, natapos din ako sa pag-assemble nung patungan na to, and I can say na okay naman siya. It's nice and sturdy. Tama ba? Ano siya? Tawag dito, matibay siya for sure, and it will last long, lalo na kung iingatan nyo siya ng maayos. So meron naman siyang kasamang mga like screwdriver. Ang tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Basta ito, may kasamang ganito siya. Like kapag ka bumibili kayo sa IKEA, may mga kasama na siyang ganito and ganito din para pangsikip nung tawag dito, pangsikip siya ng mga tornilyo. So nakabit ko na yung gulong sa baba. Ayan, this is the gulong, nakabit ko na siya. Pero I think kung gusto niyo siyang palitan ng ganito, yung hindi siya gumagalaw, ito yung pwede niyo ikabit. Ayan, so meron ding 4 na ganito, tabi niyo na lang. Pero for me, parang mas easy kung digulong siya para mabilis siyang ilipat-lipat. So yun guys, for me sulit naman yung yung 800 plus na binayaran ko kasi I can say na matibay naman to, tsaka magtatagal siya. Ang lang, medyo nalito lang ako is meron siyang butas pa dito. Ayan, so meron pa siyang butas dito. Hindi mo naman siya pwedeng sikipan kasi wala yung pinagdugtungan ko na to is wala naman siyang butas din. So parang until here lang yon. Until here lang before the butas yung pinagdugtungan ko, and kahit na ipagdugtong ko siya, wala din naman siyang yung sobra dito is wala din naman siyang butas. So useless lang kung ipagko-connect ko pa siya. Pero na-figure out ko na isasalpak mo lang naman siya. So yun. All in all, okay naman siya, and I can say na magtatagal naman to. So yun guys, kung nagustuhan nyo or you're looking also for this kind of shelves na pwedeng or mga patungan na pwedeng paglagyan, I will link it down below. And yun, para mabilis nyo siyang makita. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's it for our video for today. I hope guys na nagustuhan nyo. I'm sorry for my look. Yan, kasi nga wala na tayong ayos-ayos. Basta mag-unboxing tayo. Ganyan. So yun, thank you guys for watching again. So if you haven't yet subscribed on my YouTube channel, kindly please do consider subscribing on my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell para naman you'll be notified whenever I uploaded new video like this one. Yes, so meron pa akong dalawang iniintay na product. The last one will be the cellphone case and another shelf siya, pero that one is for mineral water naman. So, yun, I'm so excited to show it with you guys because I know you will like it also. So, yun guys, thank you so much. Bye! Have a nice day!